Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Corvette. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip angled mount number 855034. Now there's one thing we want to mention before we get started, and that is you want to make sure you install this mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. On this mount, there are going to be two seams we're going to be worried about. Underneath this little archway here, there is a seam between these two panels, and that's the first seam. The second one is the seam right along here between the leather and the hard part of this arch. So first, you want to take the lower edge of the mount, and we're going to insert it into the seam underneath the arch. And just press it forward. Now you're going to take the included gap opener, and you're going to insert that into that upper seam just to open it up like that. And now using our fingers, we're going to pull on the mount just to stretch it so we can get the upper lip into that newly opened seam. Once that's in, remove the gap opener, and now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.